Hi guys, welcome to our channel. You can drink this cucumber mint drink to aid weight loss. Cucumber mint tea. This is one of the most hydrating veggies around. Cucumber boosts multiple health benefits including the weight loss. Are you trying to lose your weight? So we are sure that by now you would be overwhelmed with a lot of information over the internet, from countless fad diets to quick hacks, tips, exercises, and whatnot. But you'll be surprised to know that just by tweaking your diet a little or a simple addition of some refreshing drinks may go a long way in your weight loss journey. And while there is no a tailor-made plan for everyone as everybody is different, therefore eating light and loading up on water is often considered the best way to weight loss. A low-fat, low-calorie food, cucumber is one of the ingredients that is made up of more than 90% water. Yes, you think that it makes for a perfect companion in your weight loss? Yes, and if that's not enough, its nutritional value is impressive enough. Cucumber is brimming with antioxidants which are vital for the body to fight against diseases. If you're already picturing a bland and boring cucumber salad to include the veggie in your diet, you can stop right there. There are many innumerable ways to load up cucumber, and here is the simplest one for you to begin with. That is called a cucumber mint juice, which is really quick and easy drink that you can add to your morning. You can prepare at your home itself. The ingredients needed for this cucumber and mint juice are mint leaves approximately 8 to 10, one small cucumber which is peeled, 1 cup of water, 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice, a pinch of black pepper. Blend all these ingredients together, garnish it with few mint leaves, and drink it fresh. The addition of mint brings a number of health benefits. From being a great antioxidant to boosting digestion, it is much more than just a refreshing ingredient to the drinks. It stimulates the digestive enzymes, facilitating better absorption of nutrients from food, which in turn boosts metabolism and helps in weight loss. Combined with lemon, which not only adds a zinc to the drink but also makes it vitamin C rich. It detoxifies the body, reducing the chances of excess weight gain. Don't forget to try this cucumber mint juice at home and share your experience with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.